Hi! Today we're going to talk about box and whisker plots. I'm sorry that I'm so dark right here, and I know that the light's all behind me, but y'all, I could not stay inside one more second today, and I had to get outside. So this is what we're going to deal with. So let's take a set of data, and if you're going to make a box and whisker plot, the cool thing is that all the things that we've been finding, mean, maximum, minimum, first quartile, third quartile, you already know how to do all that. That's what you're going to be doing to find a box and whisker plot. It's kind of taking all that information and letting you see it visually. So it's a new way to look at it. So here's a set of data. I've already arranged it from least to greatest, and we're going to make a box and whisker plot for this data. First step is to find the median or the second quartile. So I find the median is 13. I'm going to mark that Q2. Okay? Then I've got to find the first quartile. Remember, the first quartile, we look at the lower half, and the median of that is 9. So that's first quartile, Q1. Then we look at the upper quartile and the third quartile, and the quartile, I say that word weird. The median of that is 15. Quartile, Now that I've heard myself, I will never be able to not say it any other way. But anyway, and then let's look. The maximum and minimum, we also need to know. This is the minimum, and that's the maximum. So let's go down here, and I'm going to make a number line for us, and I'm going to make it, let's go from 5 to 20. Let's go 5, 20. What comes in the middle of 5 and 20? My brain's not working. Not a number I can think of right now. So let's divide this into fourths. So 10, 15. Now, I could sit here and go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what I'm saying? I could break it down smaller, but I would take forever in this video, so I'm not going to do that. But let's pretend 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, those kind of deals. But for now, we'll eyeball it. So let's start by marking Q1. Q1 is at 13, and I'm going to say 13 is right above the halfway point. I'm going to put a good solid line above that. Oh, you can't see that. I put a good solid line right. I estimated where 13 would be. And then there's another 13, and then there's 15 for Q3, so I'm going to put a line right there. Q1 is 9. I'm going to put a line right underneath the 10. So let's look. 9 is Q1, Q2 is 13, and 15 is the Q3. Now I'm going to take and make a box out of those 3 lines. I'm just going to connect it over the top, make it pretty. Da 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 da, I've got a box. Okay, so this plot's called the what? Box and, that's right, whiskers. So it's time to make the whiskers. So I'm going to take my minimum point, 7, I'm going to estimate to be right there. And my maximum point, 18, which I'm going to estimate to be right there. And then I'm going to connect it to the box. And look what we've done. We have made a box and whiskers. We so smart. Okay, that's it for that. Nope, I think I'm done.